Through the night, these desks, booths, and radio and telephone positions were manned at Mobile's Civil Defense headquarters. Hurricane Eloise was the reason why. And today, as windows were being unboarded and untaped, officials here pointed to an unprecedented volunteer effort and close cooperation for Mobile's preparedness.
I think if you can be ready for something, I think we were about as ready as you could be. Thank God that we didn't have to exercise it, but I think we're pretty well on top of the situation.
Davis said that in preparing for Hurricane Eloise, that all municipalities in Mobile County were represented, and this, he said, was an important first. This is Bill Spencer, Channel 10 Newsbeat.